Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. We begin listening to the first letter of St. Peter. And the heart of this passage from St. Peter's letter can be found in the end of the passage of the readings. Be holy because I am holy. The letter of St. Peter is just repeating an earlier command that can be found in the Old Testament. Be holy because I am holy. At first, this may sound intimidating, parang nakakatakot, parang parang mahirap gawin. Parang ang kabanalan ay para lamang sa mga canonized saints, para lang kay Pope Leo XIV o kay Cardinal Advincula. But you see, my dear brothers and sisters, it is a universal call. It means that this command to be holy is for everyone. Maging banal kayo. Hindi lamang kayong mga pari, hindi lamang kayong mga obispo, hindi lamang kayong mga madre, kundi lahat ng mga bininyagan kay Kristo. Tayong lahat ay tinatawag sa buhay ng kabanalan. At sinabi pa sa unang pagbasa, the holiness should be found in all aspect of your conduct. In all aspect of your conduct. Whatever you do, inject holiness in that. So, kung ikaw ay nasa bahay, maging mapagpasensya sa mga kasambahay. Kasi kung minsan yung mga kasambahay natin hindi agad-agad maintindihan yung ating inuutos. Anong mangyayari? Iinit ka agad ang ulo mo. No? Hindi. Ipakita mo yung mahabang pasensya sa bahay. That is injecting holiness in your conduct. O sa opisina, be honest. Exercise honesty. Kahit na merong mga nanunuhol, merong mga gustong magbigay para mapabilis yung takbo ng kanilang papel, sabihin mo, hindi pwede. Pagbibigyan kita, pero walang kapalit. Gagawin ko ang pwede kong gawin nang hindi bawal sa batas. That is integrity. Sa school, do not cheat. Do not copy another's assignment. Help in the work of the team. Sa simbahan, sa parokya, iwasin yung chismisan. Di ba? Kasi kung minsan sa mga parish organizations, ang pinag-uusapan hindi yung topic ng meeting o yung agenda, kundi sino yung kasama ni Father kagabi? Parang hindi ko kilala. Mga ganon. Mga ganong banat. In other words, in all conduct of our lives, wherever we are, we should inject the desire to be holy. Ngayon, sasabihin nyo, Father, parang ang hirap naman eh. Totoo. That's why we have to ask God's grace, number one. Because we cannot do it by ourselves. We cannot be holy by ourselves. We have to ask the Lord, Lord, bigyan mo ako ng grasya para magawa ko yung tama. Para magawa ko yung nararapat. We have to ask daily the help of God's grace. That's the first one. We can be holy by asking God's grace. But secondly, let us be holy together. Let us be holy together. In other words, we have to support each other to be holy. We have to encourage each other to be holy. We have to create an environment, even at home, even at work, even in school. We have to create an environment that it will be easy for someone to be holy. Para tayo mga ngipin, no? Yung ngipin natin dikit-dikit. And they support each other. Pag minatanggal na isang ngipin dyan, no, magsisimula ng lumuwag yung ibang ngipin. We have to support one another. We have to encourage one another. Kapit-bisig, ika nga. Siguro, mga minamahal kong kapatid, yan ang isang maging prayer natin today. Lord, help me to aspire for holiness. Dapat kasi gustuhin no? Dapat kasi gustuhin. It begins from the will. Para yung mga nag-exercise, sarap matulog, no? Pero hindi, gigising ka, no? Babangon ka kasi maglalakad ka pa o magja-jogging ka pa. You begin with willing it. Pangarapin natin. Let us be holy. Let us desire to be holy. And then, let us ask the grace of God that we may be holy, and let us support each other in our desire to be holy. Alam nyo, sa Ebanghelyo, maliwanag naman yung sinabi ng Panginoon. Nagtanong kasi si Pedro paano naman kami? No, iniwan namin ang lahat para sa iyo. Ang sabi ni Jesus, ako ang bahala sa inyo. Ako ang bahala sa inyo. Papalitan ko yan ng higit pa sa inyong ibinigay. That is the promise. If we desire to be holy, if we are ready to make sacrifices and do the right thing, the Lord in the gospel is telling us, ako ang bahala sa iyo. Gagantimpalaan ko ang iyong mga pagsusumikap. So, my dear brothers and sisters, let that be our goal beginning today. I want to be holy. I want to be a saint. Amen.